A reliable motorcycle battery ensures quick starts, consistent power, and dependable performance every time you ride. The best batteries feature maintenance-free AG or gel technology, long service life, and excellent vibration resistance for all weather conditions. In this guide, we review the top 5 best motorcycle batteries that offer durability, strong starting power, and great value for motorcycles, ATVs, and other Powersports vehicles. Number 5. Weize YTX14-BS ATV Battery. The Weize YTX14-BS ATV battery is a dependable AG battery designed to deliver reliable starting power for ATVs, motorcycles, scooters, and other Powersports vehicles. Featuring sealed, maintenance-free construction, it eliminates the need for regular electrolyte checks while providing leak-proof performance. Its high-cold cranking amps ensure quick engine starts in various weather conditions, while the durable casing resists vibration and impacts during off-road riding. The AG technology enhances battery life, improves charging efficiency, and reduces self-discharge during storage. Easy to install and built for long-lasting reliability. The Weize YTX14-BS is an excellent replacement battery for riders seeking dependable performance and consistent power throughout every journey. Number 4. CHROMEBATTERY Pro eagle YTX14-BS Battery. The CHROMEBATTERY Pro eagle YTX14-BS Battery is a premium gel battery engineered for outstanding durability and dependable starting performance. Unlike conventional batteries, its advanced gel technology offers enhanced resistance to vibration, heat, and deep discharge, making it ideal for motorcycles, ATVs, and utility vehicles. The fully sealed, maintenance-free design prevents leaks while delivering consistent power in demanding riding conditions. High cold cranking performance ensures reliable starts even in colder temperatures. Easy installation and long service life make it a practical upgrade for riders looking for dependable battery performance, built for reliability and convenience. The CHROMEBATTERY Pro eagle is a solid choice for everyday and recreational use. Number 3. UPLUS YTX30-BS Motorcycle Battery. The UPLUS YTX30-BS motorcycle battery is a high-capacity AG battery designed for powerful starting performance and long-lasting durability. Its maintenance-free sealed design eliminates the need for routine servicing while providing leak-resistant operation. Built with advanced AG technology, it delivers stable voltage, fast charging, and excellent resistance to vibration, making it suitable for motorcycles, UTVs, snowmobiles, and other Powersports vehicles. The battery offers strong cold cranking amps for dependable engine starts in various weather conditions. Durable internal construction helps extend service life while reducing self-discharge during storage. Reliable, efficient, and easy to install. The UPLUS YTX30-BS is an excellent choice for demanding riders. Number 2. Mighty Max Battery AG Motorcycle Battery. The Mighty Max Battery AG Motorcycle Battery combines dependable power, rugged durability, and maintenance-free convenience for a wide range of motorcycles and Powersports vehicles. Featuring absorbent glass matte technology, it delivers reliable starting power, faster recharge rates, and improved resistance to vibration and shock. The sealed, spill-proof construction ensures safe operation without requiring regular maintenance. Designed to perform well in both hot and cold weather, it provides consistent voltage and dependable engine starts throughout the year. Its durable construction helps extend battery life while maintaining excellent performance. Easy to install and built for reliability. The Mighty Max AG battery is a trusted option for everyday riders. Number 1. CB CHROMEBATTERY YTX9-BS Battery. The CB CHROMEBATTERY YTX9-BS Battery is a high-quality sealed AG battery built to provide dependable starting power and long-lasting performance. Designed for motorcycles, scooters, ATVs, and personal watercraft. It features maintenance-free operation with a leak-proof, spill-resistant design. Its advanced construction delivers stable power output, excellent vibration resistance, and improved durability for demanding riding conditions. High cold cranking amps ensure fast and reliable engine starts. Even during colder weather, the battery arrives fully charged and ready to install, making replacement quick and convenient, durable, efficient, and built for everyday reliability.